Welcome back to Startup Sparks. Today, we're diving into the incredible journey of Reed Hastings, the co-founder of Netflix. From disrupting the video rental industry to creating a global streaming empire, Hastings' story is one of innovation, risk-taking, and a relentless focus on the future. Let's jump in. 1. Reed Hastings' early life and career. Reed Hastings was born in 1960 in Boston, Massachusetts. He studied mathematics at Bowdoin College and later earned a master's degree in computer science from Stanford University. Before Netflix, Reed founded a company called Pure Software, which specialized in tools for troubleshooting software. After selling Pure Software in 1997, he was ready for his next big challenge, one that would completely change how we watch movies and TV too. The spark behind Netflix. The idea for Netflix was born out of frustration. In 1997, Reed Hastings was charged a $40 late fee for returning a VHS tape of Apollo 13. This experience made him wonder, why couldn't renting movies be simpler and more convenient? Teaming up with entrepreneur Mark Randolph, Hastings launched Netflix in 1998 as a DVD rental by mail service. Their unique subscription model eliminated late fees, a bold move that immediately set them apart from competitors like Blockbuster. 3. Early challenges and pivots. Like any startup, Netflix faced its fair share of challenges. In the early days, the internet wasn't as widespread, and DVD players were still a luxury item. To grow their customer base, Netflix offered free trials and heavily promoted the convenience of their service. In 2000, Hastings even approached Blockbuster with an offer to sell Netflix for $50 million. Blockbuster declined, a decision that would come back to haunt them. 4. The shift to streaming. Netflix revolutionized entertainment once again in 2007 when it introduced its streaming service. This move allowed users to watch movies and TV shows instantly online without waiting for DVDs to arrive in the mail. The transition wasn't easy, but Hastings saw the potential of streaming early on. By investing in technology and acquiring streaming rights, Netflix quickly became a leader in on-demand entertainment. Number 5. Original content and global expansion. In 2013, Netflix took another bold step by producing its own original content, starting with House of Cards. This decision not only set Netflix apart from competitors, but also changed how content was created and distributed. Today, Netflix operates in over 190 countries and boasts a massive library of original shows, movies, and documentaries. Its global success is a testament to Hastings' forward-thinking leadership. 6. Reed Hastings' leadership philosophy. Reed Hastings is known for his innovative leadership style. At Netflix, he introduced a unique company culture based on freedom and responsibility. Employees are encouraged to take risks, experiment, and make decisions without unnecessary bureaucracy. Hastings believes in the power of long-term thinking. By focusing on where the industry is headed, he has consistently stayed ahead of the curve, even as competitors like Amazon Prime and Disney Plus entered the market. Number 7. Netflix's legacy and impact. Netflix has changed the way we consume entertainment, giving viewers control over what, when, and how they watch. Under Hastings' leadership, Netflix has become a household name, shaping pop culture and redefining the entertainment industry. Reed Hastings' journey with Netflix proves that bold ideas and the courage to innovate can lead to extraordinary success. What's your favorite Netflix original? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring stories here on Startup Sparks. Until next time, keep dreaming big and sparking change.